fly. If you can't fly, you run. If you can't run, you walk. If you can't walk, at least you should go ahead one step. So today I would like to tell you about how I learned English and how I became an English confident. But before going ahead, I would like to introduce myself. So hello everyone, this is me, GAUTAM. I am studying in 5th standard. My school name is Holy Family in Convent High School. It's from English medium, and I am also student of GAUTAM Academy from Diamond Batch. And I would like to go ahead now. So number one, when I was in silver belt, I was doing nothing, only doing homework, and it's not making activities, not doing homework, but sometimes I missed it, and that doesn't give me any of the benefits. So I think that from silver batch I will not get nothing, because that environment, no one speaks, only writing in that, and only sometimes at the end of the lecture, some lectures we come and we speak something, only less students speaks. That environment I doesn't get. One day in motivation session I saw one day that one grammar student came here, that was so much today. You can't believe he is my inspiration. And that he told that much nicely. I think that he is only 1.5 years elder than me. So why I cannot? Only 1.5 years doesn't have any of the difference. If I will ask you, I have 20-25 years old, so it's having maybe difference, but only 1.5, having nothing difference. So that I think that I should join gold batch. Then number two, when I joined the gold batch, I was sitting there. Then I saw much people, and who was giving motivation section, that they were sitting here. And then I saw them, they are coming, and I joined that maybe Friday. And the fast activity is going on, and they was coming on stage, and they was telling something. And when they told something, I remember my silver badge when I also came, and I also speak something, and I gave motivates to all. Then I think I should also talk. But I told the I am not remembering who was there. I told I will sit by sitting on the floor, because it was my first lesson, and no one is there who is perfect. First only, no one is perfect. Example I want to give, that I am expert in maths. मी कमीत 4 एक्सपर्टला हरवलं मॅथ्स मध्ये. And that much I am expert, but sometimes I forgot something. That's why it's a best and good example for you people. And yes, so it was a very nicely goal that also. And starting and at second lecture, I was sitting with Vishwajit Karude. Maybe you people, and he was in star 5. I think that how can they speak very nicely and going on stage, and you know, he was also my second inspiration. That much he was speaking, and when I think if he will speak, I will also speak. On that day, I come on stage in Marathi or in Hindi or in English. I done that combination, and then I speak very nicely. And when I come diamond, different level it was. So like that way, and how I am speaking here, you people can't see my efforts. Doing daily activities, daily assignments, online, offline, both. And at that time I was belonging from fighters team. And nicely that my team will win because of me and my team will lose because of me. So that point I remember, and I gave my best and my team won in grand finale. Thank you.